Hello friends and welcome back to Sapa. Today I will show you what you get for $8 here in Vietnam, Sapa. Yeah. So I will show you my room. Yeah, you really get a good room for $8. Yeah, here in Sapa. First I will show you some views. This is it's very close to the bus station as well, so here we have it. But the most important thing you maybe are interested in is the room, of course. Yeah, we are on the top floor with no view. But this is hello. So let's see here. So this is my room. Ta-da! Yeah. So this is what you get for $8. Can you? Is one person here, maybe two? Which one should I choose? This, of course, the biggest one. See here? Oh! Yeah. If you like hard beds, yeah, it's a really good bed. But if you like softer ones, no. Oh, this one was actually a little bit softer. Yeah, but you cannot really complain for $8. Yeah, or maybe two here. So a double room for $8. Yeah, it's like 5 minutes from the city center in Sapa. And Sapa is quite popular destination to go to for hiking and stuff. So, and you get the toothbrush, a yellow one. And a can, yeah, soap, yeah, towels, yeah, still okay. And water, of course. And a fan, no aircon, but it's good for me to don't have aircon because I have been feeling sick after all the aircon here in Vietnam. So yeah, but this was a small room tour. What you really get for $8 here in Vietnam. Not bad. Not bad actually at all. See you guys in the next one when we are doing Sapa for the last time and Vietnam for the last time. Yeah. In the next coming videos we are leaving Vietnam and we will try to go to China. Yeah, we are hopefully going to China tomorrow actually. But hope everything will be in order for me. But first, in the next video you will see the last day, what I am up to in Vietnam for the last time. Maybe forever, maybe I will never come back to Vietnam, or maybe I will, who knows. It's depending how long I live. That's sad, but yeah, that is the reality. Yeah, but yeah, really good, nice. And they speak English at the front office, the people that work there speak English, so that's thumbs up. But they call it a hostel, but I feel like it's more like a hotel. Hotel without breakfast. So, see you in the next one. Ciao. And the toilet is clean. Thumbs up. And toilet paper.